Two-point perspective windows. Two-point perspective is a system of drawing forms that help create the illusion of deep space. There are two vanishing points to which all things would eventually fade in the distance. These vanishing points are usually on the edges of a drawing, on the horizon line, or eye line. That is the level your eye would be when looking at a scene. They may also be off the page, but still along the extended horizon line. Two-point perspective differs from one-point perspective obviously because we now work with two vanishing points, one at each end of the horizon line at the edge of the page and not in the center. Rules for working in two-point perspective are as follows. All lines must be made with a straight edge that's a ruler, a triangle, or T-square. All vertical lines must be vertical. All other lines must connect to the vanishing point. Note the only horizontal line in the drawing is the horizon line. There are three types of lines that can extend from any given point, just like in one-point perspective. In two-point perspective, they are vertical lines, lines connecting to the left vanishing point, and those connecting to the right vanishing point. All vertical lines will be drawn in black, all lines lining up with the right vanishing point will be red, and all lines lining up to the left vanishing point will be blue. In your drawings, you do not need to use the colors. You can draw all of them simply in pencil. This color coding is simply for demonstration purposes. Windows in two-point perspective. Draw a fairly large box that crosses the horizon line. Draw a vertical line on the left side inside the box that does not cross the horizon line. Connect the top and bottom points of that line to the left vanishing point. Draw these last two lines lightly. Draw a vertical line between the last two angle lines you drew in step 1, the two left lines inside the box. This finishes the outside of the window. Remember that everything inside is now space. The rest of the box is solid. Find the green dot in your drawing. This is the only corner that you can connect to the right vanishing point without going through the box. Notice on the top, above the horizon line, it is at the top, and below the horizon line, it is on the bottom. Connect the green point from step 2 to the right vanishing point. Draw lightly. Locate the new green point on the lines you just drew. It represents the thickness of the wall. You may choose how thick your walls will be. Mark this point. Find the green dot from step 3. Draw a vertical line from that point towards the horizon line. So that would be up in a window that's below the horizon line, or down for a window that is above the horizon line. Using your straight edge, line up the green dot from step 3 with the left vanishing point. Draw the line in the window from the green dot towards the central vertical line. The dotted lines are simply guides to show your drawing should line up with the vanishing points. Step 6. This step shows the windows drawn on the right side of the box. Notice how 5 and 6 are mirror images of each other. Two-point perspective assignment number 3. You're going to use a sheet of daily assignment paper to draw a series of boxes in two-point perspective. Your paper will be horizontal. Draw a horizon line across the center of the page. Place your vanishing points at the end of the horizon line, the edges of your paper. All your boxes will use these vanishing points for this perspective. All lines must be made with a ruler. All vertical lines must be vertical. All other lines must connect to the vanishing points. This creates the illusion of depth. You're going to draw 4 windows in 2-point perspective. These can be in any of the boxes from previous exercises, but no 2 can be on the same surface, that's the left or right side, and above or below the horizon line. That is, above on the left side, above on the right side, below on the left side, and below on the right side. Darken the outlines of each box and window and erase any guidelines, and put your name and date on the corner of your paper. Good luck. What follows is a small challenge assignment. Your 2-point perspective challenge assignment. You're going to complete this assignment only if you have successfully completed the assignments 1 through 3. Use a separate sheet of daily assignment paper to draw a series of boxes in 2-point perspective to complete this challenge. As always, your paper will be horizontal. You're going to draw a horizon line across the center of the page. Place your vanishing points at the end of the horizon line, that's the edges of your paper. All your boxes will use these vanishing points for the perspective. All lines will be made with a ruler. All vertical lines must be vertical. All other lines must connect to the vanishing points to create the illusion of depth. Challenges are drawing bricks on the top or bottom surface of a box. Draw a window on the top or bottom of a box. Draw a window that crosses the central vertical line so that it is on both the left and right faces. Draw a window that crosses all 3 faces, that's the top, left, and right, or bottom left and right, depending on where your box is. Darken all your outlines for each box and erase any guidelines. Remember to write your name and date in the corner of your paper. Remember, you are only to complete this once you have completed assignments 1 through 3. Good luck.